The D90 air code on an LG dryer indicates a restriction in airflow intended to flow to the outside, resulting in trapped air between the dryer and the external vent. This issue can be caused by a buildup of lint and debris, a damaged exhaust hose, or a coiled exhaust hose. To resolve the problem, start by cleaning the lint filter and outside vent to remove any accumulated debris. Remove the lint filter. Clean it with warm soapy water, and inspect the outside vent to ensure it is clear of obstructions. Next, inspect the exhaust hose for any holes or damage that may be restricting airflow, and repair or replace it if necessary. If the hose is coiled or kinked, smooth it out to improve airflow, and consider shortening it if it is too long. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider contacting professional cleaners to perform a deep clean of the dryer and vent system.